Solving equations involving indices. Solving equations involving indices. Grab your pen and a piece of paper. Let's look at the following questions. Solve for x in 2 raised to power x equals to 8. 2 raised to power x equals to 8. We want the value of x over here. And the solution shall be 2 raised to power x equal to, write 8 to base 2. Write 8 to base 2. That is definitely 2 raised to power 3. So again, in indices, when the bases are equal, we also equate the powers. So 2 is equal to 2. Those are the bases. Therefore, the powers shall also be equal. That implies that x equals to 3. Therefore, 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. Question number 2. 7 to the power of x equal to 49. 7 to the power of x equals to 49. What power do we raise 7 to get 49? And the solution shall be 7 raised to power x is equal to, write 49 to base 7. Write 49 to base 7. That is 7 power 2. Again, we now have the same base over here. That implies also that the powers are equal. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Therefore, 7 power 2 shall be equal to 49. Question number 3. Let's solve for x in 10 raised to power x equals to 1000. 10 raised to power x equals to 1000. What do you think is the value of x? Yes, this is how we proceed. 10 raised to power x equals to, write 1000 to base 10. That is definitely 10 to the power of 3. Because we have the same base over here, this implies that x is 3. Therefore, 10 raised to power 3 is 1000. 10 to power 3 is 1000. Example number 4. Let us solve for x in this equation. 3 raised to power x equal to 81. 3 power x equal to 81. What do you think is the answer? Yes, this is how we proceed. 3 to the power of x. Let's write 81 to base 3. We get it as 3 raised to power 4. Because again, we have the same base over here. That implies that x equal to 4. Therefore, x equal to 4. 3 raised to power 4 is actually 81. Last question. Solve for x in 5 raised to power x equal to 125. 5 raised to power x is equal to 125. Which power do we raise 5 to get 125? Yes, this is how we proceed. Write 5 to the power of x equal to, write 125 to base 5. That is 5 to the power of 3. Because again, we have the same base over here. This implies that x is equal to 3. X equal to 3. That is how we solve those simple equations involving indices. It involves writing the number to the base that is given so that we get the same base, and therefore we equate the respective indices or the respective powers. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you have not done so that you can be watching this and many more interesting videos. Thank you.